Okay, so today I want to do, behind us we have a 2003, this is a Mercedes S-Class. This is an S55 AMG, and the headlights on here were put on. These are aftermarket headlights, and now there's no lights coming on in the car. So something went wrong during the installation, and I wanted to do this video in case you purchased these headlights and maybe you put them in and you're having the same problem. I personally don't know what's going on, but we're going to take the headlights out and see what went wrong in the installation, or if there's something else, some kind of conversion kit or something that has to be added to these to make them work. But again, this is the model right here, and you can see the aftermarket headlights that were put in. Now, neither of them are turning on, and we're going to find out why. Here we go. All right, so some of these were already loosened. After they had done the installation, they left them loose. Obviously, because they knew somebody would have to come back in here. But you're going to need a 5/16 for up here. And then if you come down here, you're going to have this bracket. All right, you're going to need a 10 millimeter. Let me turn the light on so you can see this. You're going to need a 10 millimeter for here. All right, and then there's going to be another one here, 10 millimeter. And then back there, there's going to be another 5/16, and then another 10 millimeter. Those are the bolts that you're going to have to loosen to take it out. All right, now once you have your brackets removed and all of your bolts taken out of here, what you need to do to get this headlight out, you need to pull back on this bumper here. And I can't do it with one hand, but you got to pull back on this and then kind of slide this light out because it's kind of recessed behind there. So pull out on the bumper a little bit, when with your other hand you're going to pull that light out. We're going to pull back on the bumper. And we're going to lift up from this side over here to get this light. It's a little tight. Oh, there we go. Come on out of there. All right, just like that. All right, so looking back here, you're going to have these two wires that were plugged into the back of your light. These were already left unplugged from the previous installation. But on the back of these lights, let's see. See, it looks like, yeah, those are closed off on the end, but it looks like there's only one jack you can plug back in here. I'm not sure why that is, why it doesn't allow you to plug two back in. But let's see what's going on here. Alright, as you can see, the lights are on. Now, what the hell did I do? I'll explain. Basically, there was two adapters in the back of these lights that you saw that came unplugged. When you buy your aftermarket ones, this particular one didn't have a spot to plug in that second adapter, and I didn't plug the second adapter in. I left it unplugged. Now, the lights were not coming on. I took out all the bulbs. I was swapping everything. I was trying everything. But the adapter, being that these are aftermarkets, it doesn't really fit like a stock adapter would. And I'll show you. You're going to have to push down really hard on the back of these. So here's the two adapters that came out. This one didn't have a home. That one's just kind of sitting. But this is the one that you're going to plug in. The one that has this rounded edge on this side, and it looks kind of squared off on this side. Well, when putting it in there, you feel like you have it on all the way. When you push it, even there, it feels tight. But the light was not coming on, and I really, if you look, I'm going to push down hard with my hand. Hold on. I'll get it. There we go. See, I'm pushing down hard, and the light finally came on. So this aftermarket light doesn't take too good to this stock fitting. So you're going to think you have it on and your lights aren't coming on, but I'm telling you, I had to really push down on these to get that light to come on. It's 3 hours of tinkering around with stuff when I probably should have started with the adapters first. Actually, I did start with the adapters first, and I did push them on pretty tight, and they weren't coming on. I assumed it was tight enough, but I really had to get in there and push down super tight to get those lights to come on, and hopefully they don't back out now. But that's it. If you're having a problem with your lights, that might be the problem. Not saying it is, but that might be the problem, because that was the problem in this case. And if I helped you out, just please hit subscribe for me below. Give me a thumbs up. I try to do videos daily. I'm trying to get more subscribers up. And I'll see you guys next time.